first day shooting of Dakota Stone. Nancy Shu, Dakota Stone. She's gone. I beat her up.
Not from you.
I'm not from you. Okay. I'm here with producer Mr. Paul Knight.
Hello.
Are you happy? So
Oh, happy, very happy. So Mike is always very good to work with. Yes.
with the director, Sherry.
Are
you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. With the fighting choreographer, Mr. Ronin. Fight. And I'm here also with Enzo.
First AD.
Yeah, he's always busy.
Always busy. Always busy.
I'm Oscar.
Today I'm a photographer.
So BTS
Pictures. Yeah, a couple stills, you know. Trying my best. It's
the best.
Hustling. You know.
In a coffee room with Sam.
Hello.
Who is?
Runner.
Runner. Thank you, mate. Nancy.
This one's Sony A7.
So curious what you doing, Nancy.
Great.
Leave him alone, Nancy. Leave him alone. The art director, Claire.
Yeah, all ready to go. Can't wait.
Fantastic. Makeup artist, Rosie.
Hello.
If you go and I don't know, but Cash said if you go,
He's shooting
you can.
photographs.
You never.
This is the location where we're going to fight. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Hello guys.
How's it going, Chief?
So good. You guys cool.
Okay, so let's make sure that we're not blocking those. As we can tell, this space is...
Nancy has been tied up, kidnapped, and
How much will we get?
we are starting again.
Down by 3.
Are you ready, Rosanne? You're ready now?
Oh, I'm ready.
With the coffee.
With the coffee. With
The coffee.
gas there.
Now. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Oh my god. Will we? Yeah.
Yes.
And cut.
And action.
And cut. Thank
And
you.
cut it.
Second day of shooting.
Action.
And it's a wrap. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
We did it.
We made it.
We made it.
Made it! Woo!